video, we're going to replace the battery for this Honda Accord key in 2 minutes. So the battery we need is the CR1616. Holding the battery in is just one screw. We need a small Phillips head screwdriver to undo this screw. Once the screw is out, the bottom part of the rear cover is going to pop out. The top is still going to be kind of wedged in. You don't want to just pull it up like this. You want to push the top of the back cover in this direction, and that'll kind of snap off. Once the back cover is off, we can take this middle part out of the key. And now with this part, there's kind of these clips on the top and the bottom holding the front and rear parts together. So we can unattach this by kind of just pulling up on this end and down, and kind of the same thing on the other side, and that'll just come out. And then that exposes the battery here in the middle. Now to take the battery out, we can kind of get to this corner here, just kind of push in and push up, and that battery just comes out. Now we put our new battery in the same way, push up, and that's it. Now we just put everything back together. The front and the back just snaps on really easy. Then we can put this back into the key. Now we can put our back cover back on. Snapping the top part back in place. So going in and then kind of pushing up. And then putting the screw back. And that's it.